Hi viewers. Hi viewers. Today we are going to explore new places. So let's go. Ticket counter. Ticket counter. लिखा हुआ कुछ गली में दिखना नहीं मानते। नेक्स्ट ऑक्सीजन बलवान टिकट काउंटर टिकट काउंटर बोले फ्री वाले। Today we are going to explore Oxygen Bird Park located in Nagpur, Maharashtra. Oh, what a beautiful! Oh, what a beautiful! It is so many plants. It is looking beautiful, and scenery, greenery is also perfect. White flowers. Okay, it's good. Red flowers. You can see so many plants are planted here. There are many plants. This is playground, as you can see. This one also there, but it's green. Oh, it is beautiful. Oh, there is one park. Let's see there. As you can see, there is one park. Let's go there. Let's go there. Let's see how beautiful it is. Okay, let's. No, we cannot go by here. We can go by here. We can go by this way. This way. Come here. So, as you can see. What? Hello? Come, we can go by this way. See, this is the bird, but it is made by a statue. That is a statue of bird. You can Shrek, you go by there, I will go by this. Let's go there. Let's go here. There's some benches that we can. And what is this? I don't know. And this is a bench. We can. Can I go there here? Yes. Okay. See, there's a lake, means pond, and there is a bridge. This is a bridge. Let's go here. Let's go there. Can we go? There is a sun. See, you can see. As you can see, there is sun. There is one. Let's continue going. There are benches. You can see if anyone feels tired, so you can sit for some time to rest. Let's sit. We are tired. We are tired for some time, so we need some rest. Okay, let's continue. We can go by here. There is one small step. Let's continue from here. It's beautiful, no? Yes. As you can see, it's very beautiful. Okay. And fast. And you can see that. Okay. Let's go from here. Let's read that. This saying that Moha Madusa means Madusa longifolia. Sindur, Dixa orelana, Kandunim, Dirachata indica, Shisham, Dalbergia sisu, Saga, Termilania, Elliptica, Seregilia, Cadichu, Jambul, Sisnium, Humini, Dheda, Tamilinia, Belrica, Hida, Bavinia, Desmusa, Haldina, Cordilofia, Bizza, Pterocercus, Marspium. Let's continue this way. Let's continue going here. Oh, see this? Very beautiful. What plants? We don't know. We will go this way later. There is one more board. Oh, there is one more new way. There is one more board. You can see. Okay, we should read that. We will read that. There is Parijat, Nicentis, or Bold Christis, Jam, Guava, Sitapal, Custard Apple, Chins, Tavrendis, Indica, Jambul, Sesgium, Cumini, Amba, Mangifera Indica, Word, Banyan Tree, Pimple, Ficus religiosa, Bamboo, Bambusa vulgaris, Bumohar, Delonix regia, Rampal, Annona
reticulata.
Cutie.
Manucara eccentra.
We should
Continue walking now.
saying that there is a caution, as you can see.
Caution. It is that there is
The pond is about 6.5 meters deep water.
there is kingfisher, dragonfly, bulrush, water lilies, pond skater, frog, and mosquito and tadpoles.
So don't go there.
Let's continue walking.
It looks dangerous.
Oh, there is one. Can we see it? Can we go there? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. As you can see. Hello? Let's take U-turn. Can we continue that road from this?
No.
Okay. Can we continue this road?
We can. Yes, we can.
No, we can continue this. There is. Okay, let's go from here.
Yes, we can.
Let's continue here.
Yes.
Let's go by other way. So do you think that we should go from here? Okay, let's go.
See, there's swans also.
We have already explored this. Let's go here. Okay, let's go here. Let's go from here.
No. Let them come here. As I like swans.
They're coming here. Come here. Okay, let's continue. They are good, but let's continue. Let's go. Can we go from here?
Yes. Yes, we should.
Let's go from here. Let's see if it is good. As you can see this, we can see it from top. Okay, let's come here. Climb. There's no one.
There is no one.
Okay. Let's climb up.
Let's climb up. Come here. reach the top, you can see the viewpoint.
It is so beautiful, I can't see. I can't delete this.
Let's see all the views.
Jump stadium. As you can see, there is one. You can see the stadium. That is one. That is called
Jumper Stadium.
So we can continue. You have all seen the view. Let's go down. Don't jump मत करो. Where should we continue, Alok?
Let's see this.
Let's see this. Alok,
Don't stop it here.
wow. Alok, go there.
Gulmohar,
Deluxe Regium.
Avla,
Indian gooseberry.
Tivla Gulmohar,
Deluxe Regium.
Akash Nimb,
Linjutia hortensis.
Kanchnar,
Bauhinia virgata.
Tammonia Rosalia.
Tabula rosy.
Let's continue.
This type of plant there. Okay, let's continue.
Should we continue?
Let's continue from here. We have come to playground.
Yeah. Let's play in it. Let's enjoy in playground. Let's have fun.
Yeah.
Yes, we should be here.
No, that I will go.
Wait. Sure, let's play here.
Okay. Let's see.
I will run it and you.
Okay.
Yay! Let's and play that seesaw.
Okay, let's play.
Wait. Yes. Papa?
Let's wait a minute. Up. Yay! 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 So let's do let's go. Let's go there. Look, let's go both. Look, wait. Yes. Let's slide together. Look, let's go there. Wait for me. I can do. Let's go, continue. Let's go. Let's go. There's one board also. Let's see. As you can see, there's one board. Bakul. Mini soaps spelling bee. Avda. Indian gooseberry. Sugapur custard apple. Jam guava. Adulsa. Adatoda vasika. Bell. Egde marmelos. I don't know it will be there. Let's go. Let's continue. There's 3 boards. Let's see. There are many boards. Here. Let's see. We should read them. First, let's read that. Kiridi, Manilkara, Hexanthra. Bell, Eglem marmelos. Avda, Indian gooseberry. Sitapal, custard apple. Jam, guava. Kadunimb, Adadi Rashtra indica. Jamun, Civi, Kumini. Bahunia, Blackini. Amba, Mangi Fora indica. Word, banyan tree. Let's read that one. Alok, let's read this. Word, banyan tree. Pimple, Ficus religiosa. Umber, Ficus racemosa. Kaddu sour, silk cotton. Kadunimb, Azadi Rashtra indica. Moha, Madusa, longifolia. Kadabam, Nicola America, Markia, Kadambu. Let's read this one. Let's read this one now.
Kaduni, Azadira star indica.
Amba, Dalbenchia sister.
Umber, Ficus resmosa.
Kadamba, the Decola Marcia, Kadamba.
Word, Indian jujube fruit.
Badonia, Bahunia blackenina.
Shisham, Dalbergia sisu.
I think we should continue from this. So let's continue from here. Oh no, there is one also good. Okay, let's see. This one.
Kings, Tamarindus indica.
Azadi Rashtra Indica Jam Guava.
What is this fruit?
Kadamba, Nicolari Marcia, Kadamba.
Kiri, Albizi Lebic.
Kadani, Azadi Rashtra Indica.
What is beauty monosperma?
Raftar,
Bohemia resmosa.
Amarnas, Cassia Fistula.
Ramford, Ananas reticulata.
4. Buchania, Cochin Chichinesis. Let's continue from here on. Let's go. Oh, we came here last minute. Last 5 minutes. We came here. There's one. See, there's this one. I'll see. There's one.
Oh, they came.
Let's chill. Let's play.
No. Let's to rest here for some time in the pond.
What do you want?
Fish.
I don't have some. Okay, take this. I have one fish. Go on.
Let's take rest for some time here.
Let's go there.
Come here.
Come here. What happened?
बहुत मजा आई थी